Let's talk about the latest launch Xiaomi smartphone POCO C75 with premium design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.88 inches HD plus water drop notch. Display. Resolution of 720 by 1640 pixels, approximately 89.7% screen-to-body ratio, approximately 260 ppi pixel density, 600 nits maximum high brightness, and with 120 Hz refresh rate. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with AI dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel main camera with aperture 1.8, along with auxiliary lens camera for selfies. It has 13 megapixel front camera with aperture 2.0, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 FPS on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of HyperOS screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2 GHz dual-core Cortex A75 plus 1.8 GHz hexa-core Cortex A55, powered by MediaTek Helio G81 Ultra chipset, paired with Mali G52 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 6GB, 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 6GB, 8GB of extended RAM, and 128GB, 256GB of eMMC 5.1 onboard storage, which is further expandable via dedicated microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 171.88 by 77.8 by 8.22 mm, and it weights around 204 grams, and the color options black, green, gold colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 5160 mAh battery with 18-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication with AI Face Unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, single speaker with 150% volume boost support, USB Type-C charging port, FM radio support, and with NFC support market dependent. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The POCO C75 has been priced for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at $109, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at $129. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this POCO C75 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.